Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson, we'll be learning the very popular song Humsafar from the movie Badrinath ki Dulhania. This is a song request and I don't know how many times I've received requests for this song. I think there were two guys who were really looking forward for this lesson. So Nitesh and Soumyadeep, this lesson is specially for you and I'm sure you're gonna love this. So take out your uke. Now guys, once you get the uke, you have to be sure that your ukulele is in standard tune. And once you are confirmed about that, let's start learning the song. So guys, to play this song, you need 4 chords, and these chords are chord G, chord E minor, chord C, and chord D. Now to play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string, and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord E minor, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 1st string, your middle finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and your ring finger on 4th fret 3rd string, and chord E minor will sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C will sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. Now guys, if you want, you can also play chord D with the help of a bar. So for that, you use your index finger and you just bar the top 3 strings of your ukulele over the 2nd fret, and in this position D chord will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. In this song, we're using a common strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Now guys, if you want, you can also use your thumb and your first finger to play this pattern. Now to do that, what you have to do, you have to play a down strum with your thumb like this. Then you do another down strum with your first finger like this. Now you do an upstroke with your thumb like this. Then you do another upstroke with your thumb like this. Then you do final downstroke with your first finger like this. So when you'll play it all together, it will sound like. Now guys, I'll be using this technique while playing the song. Now in case this technique is a little bit difficult for you and you're not comfortable with it, then you can use the simple version of it. So for that, you can use your thumb and this pattern will sound like this. So guys, let's start playing the song. सुन रे हमसफर, क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर कि तेरी सांसें चलती जिधर, रहूँगा बस वही उम्र भर, रहूँगा बस वही उम्र भर। है जितनी हंसी वो मुलाकातें हैं, उनसे भी प्यारी तेरी बातें हैं, बातों में तेरी तो खो जाते हैं, आए ना होश में फिर कभी, बाहों में है तेरे जिंदगी है। सुन रे हमसफर, क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर कि तेरी सांसें चलती जिधर, रहूँगा बस वही उम्र भर, रहूँगा बस वही उम्र भर। है मैं तो यूं खड़ा किस सोच में पड़ा था, कैसे जी रहा था मैं दीवाना। छुप कैसे आके तूने दिल में समा के तूने कह दिया कैसा ये तराना। ओ मुस्कुराना भी तुझी से सीखा है, जीने का बस एक तू तरीका है। एतबार भी तुझी पे होता है, आए ना होश में फिर कभी, बाहों में है तेरे जिंदगी है। सुन मेरे हमसफर, क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर कि तेरी सांस चलती जिधर, रहूँगा बस वहीं उम्र भर, रहूँगा बस वहीं उम्र भर है। So guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I'm sure you must have liked it. Please subscribe to ukeguide and make sure you hit the bell icon so that in future you can be notified about my upcoming lessons. If you have a song request, then do connect me on Instagram. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.